Hakadosh Boker or Mishna Yomi Masechet Makkot Perek Gimel. We are on chapter 3, Mishnah Yod Bet and Yod Gimel. So Mishnah Yod Bet says as follows: Keitzad Malkinoto. How do we give Malkut? So Kofech te Yadav ala Amud Elach Velach. They tie the two hands on either side of a wooden post, right? Vechazana Knesset, right? Basically, you had a wooden beam. So that means, like, he's leaning on it, right? And it was fixed on the ground. So he used to lean on it. They used to tie the hands around it. And then the Chazana Knesset ochez bibgadav, right? This is the Chazana Knesset, which basically this is like the attendant of the court. So he's going to grab the clothing and he pulls them. And nikru, if they rip, they rip. Niframun, if they tear it, by the seam, because when you sew them together. So it could be that it's actually not tearing, but it's just tearing the seam. So therefore, you could actually just afterwards just sew it together in 1 second, right? And it doesn't even look that it was torn. So niframu ad shehu megale libo, until he's going to reveal the heart, right? Which means the chest and the back. Okay? A stone is placed behind the sinner. Okay? Chazana Knesset omed alea, and he would stand on the stone. Okay, so the Chazana Knesset is standing on a stone in order to give the lashes. So he had a strap, this is what he's giving the lashes from, of calf skin. Okay? Now, the way that he would do it, he would fold it into 2, right? And then 2 into 4. Okay? So here it says in English, the strap was doubled, one onto the other to make the 2 straps, and then it was a double one again to make 4 straps. Now, there were 2 strips made of donkey skin going up and down, right? The calf skin strap. Okay? That means basically, he says here, there were holes in the calf skin strap through which the donkey skin strips were threaded. Which one? Yeah. Okay, fine. The last thing. Right? Mishnah Yud Gimel. Yada tefach. What? One second. Yada tefach. Right? The strap had a handle. Okay, so therefore that's the yada. Yada is the handle. So the handle was 1 tefach long. Verochba tefach. Now the strap's width was also 1 tefach. Right? That means the strap was long enough so that actually, obviously, when the sinner was hit with it, Rosho magat al pi kreso, right? The tip would reach the stomach. Okay? Here it says navel. Let's see, 1 second. Right? Here it says long enough that when the person is giving the malkut, he's standing behind the sinner and it hits the sinner's chest even. Okay? That means the mamash, it even goes around. So it says here, umake oto, now he's going to hit him, shlish milefanav, right? Which is going to be 1/3 on his chest, ushte yadav, right? Milachodav. And then you have the 2/3 of the lashes on his back, 1/3 on each shoulder. So you had 1/3 on the chest and 1/3 on each shoulder. So that's why you have 3/3, right? Because it's 39 divided by 3. Ve'eno make oto. Now he's not going to hit the sinner, lo omed velo yoshev el muteh, which means that he's not going to hit while the sinner is standing or sitting, but rather when he's leaning over. Meaning that's what we already said. That's why the beam was in front, and he's leaning over the beam with the hands tied on the 2 sides. Shneimar vipilo hashofet. Right? What does that mean? He has to lower him. So now v'makeh makeh biyado achat bechol kocho. Now he doesn't use 2 hands. He's doing it with 1 hand with all his strength. Yeah? Because many times when you do with 1, it might actually be stronger, right, than with 2. So this is going to be Yud Aleph and Yud Bet. Have a wonderful day, everyone.